Conducting academic research can be a very challenging task for so many people, especially when you don't have good tools for data collection. But worry no more, because this video is here to help you. So in this video, I will share with you 4 online survey tools that you can use to collect data and insights for your research project. Whether you are conducting a survey, poll, or questionnaire, these tools will help you to get the job done. All you need to do is to watch till the end. Hello everyone, my name is Patugo and I do videos around educational technologies and digital tools for business. If this is the kind of video you would like to see in the future, please consider subscribing. Turn on the notification button so that YouTube will let you know immediately I upload new videos. I would also like to remind you that I have a course that teaches how to write projects using the assistance of artificial intelligence. You can find the link in the description box. If you are ready, let's dive in. Turning onto my computer, the very first one we are going to use is Google Forms. Google Forms is a reader when it comes to online survey. With Google Forms, you can create different types of online survey. Whether you are a teacher and you want to issue a test to your students, or you are a researcher who wants to collect data from online, Google Forms is very fantastic tool for you to do that. So with Google Forms, you can create different types of online survey, and it is very good and easy to use. Google Forms also promises to be secure, compliant, and with a touch of privacy. As you know, Google Forms is a part of Google Workspace that includes docs, sheets, slides, and the rest of them. So if you have a Gmail account, you already have a Google Forms account, and it is free to use. Now let us go on to the next one. The next online survey tool we are going to look at is known as SurveyMonkey. All these tools, I will put their URL on the description box below. With SurveyMonkey, you can create different types of survey, and the user interface of SurveyMonkey is very rich. You can use it to collect employee reports, customers, or target markets, and a lot of other things you can do with SurveyMonkey. SurveyMonkey is not completely free too, because they also have pro plans, which cost $34 per month, and another one that costs $25 per user for each month. One good thing with SurveyMonkey is that you can be able to integrate it with other tools. So whether you are in healthcare, education, marketing, technology, and rest of them, SurveyMonkey is a good online survey tool for you. Now let us look for another one. The next online survey tool we are going to look at is known as SurveyPlanet. From this SurveyPlanet.com, you can get to this software and you can use it for free. You can use it to collect data online. From here, you will see so many people are already using this SurveyPlanet, and it also has artificial intelligence integration. With the artificial intelligence integration, you can create effective survey in seconds using AI. There are so many other features integrated with SurveyPlanet. If you have tried it, let me know in the comment section what you see about SurveyPlanet. Now let us move on to the last one. The very last online survey tool we are going to look at today is known as Qualtrics.com. With Qualtrics, you can also create an online survey. You can use it to collect data online, such as customer experience, employee experience, strategy and research, and what have you. And so many companies are already using Qualtrics. So let me know in the comment section the online survey plan you are using. If you would also like to have a customized online survey tool, like something that can be integrated to your website or anywhere else, we can create a custom online survey tool for you. I hope this video was helpful. Let me hear your opinion in the comment section below. I seriously recommend that you take our course on academic writing with AI. You will not regret it. Please check the link in the description box. Remember to subscribe to my channel. Also like it so that YouTube will share it with so many other people. Until next time, keep learning.